In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to a Framer site. Start by signing into your Framer account and open the website where you want to connect Shopify. Next, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure your products and online store are already set up. After that, decide how you want to connect Shopify to Framer. You can embed Shopify Buy Buttons, link directly to your Shopify checkout, or use a supported integration if one is available. Now, in Shopify, go to Sales Channels and make sure the Buy Button sales channel is installed. If it isn't, add it from the Shopify App Store. Next, open the Buy Button sales channel, click Create a Buy Button, and choose the product or collection you want to display. After that, customize the appearance of the Buy Button and click Generate Code. Now copy the generated embed code. Next, return to Framer, open the page where you want the product to appear, and add an embed component. After that, paste the Shopify embed code into the embed component and save your changes. Finally, publish your Framer site and test the product, cart, and checkout flow to make sure customers can successfully purchase through Shopify. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Shopify to a Framer site. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.